Welcome one and all. I am Miss Balwan PV from Electrical Department of Sharad Institute of Technology Polytechnic Yadrao. In this lecture, we revise the points of before lectures, teaching and examination scheme. There is 3 lectures for ECN in per week, 2 hours for practical, 2 hours for tutorial. In theory examination, there is end semester exam is for 70 marks, progressive assessment is for 30 marks. Progressive assessment is divided into 20 and 10, and 20 marks is average of unit test 1 and 2, and 10 marks for micro project. Likewise, practical examination in this end semester exam is for 25 marks and progressive assessment is for 25 marks. 25 marks of end semester exam is for external practical exam, and progressive assessment 25 marks is for term work. Course outcomes, there is 5 chapters or 5 units, and there is 5 course outcomes of each unit. First, check the working of single phase AC circuit. Second, check the resonance condition of electronic circuit. Third, check the functionality using the principle of circuit analysis. Fourth, use network theorems to determine the various parameters in circuit. Use two-port network to determine the circuit parameters. 5 topics in ECN. First, single phase AC circuit. Second, resonance in series and parallel circuit. Third, principle of circuit analysis. Fourth, network theorems. 5, two-port network. Some basic concept in electrical engineering. EMF, potential or voltage. What is EMF, potential or voltage? The force required for the flow of electric current is called EMF or voltage. The force required for the flow of electric current is called EMF or voltage. Current, the flow of electrons in a particular direction through a conductor is called current. Unit of current is ampere, unit of voltage is volt. Then resistance. What is resistance? The opposition offered by the conductor to the flow of current is called resistance. Opposition offered by the conductor to flow of current is resistance. In short, opposition to flow of current, that is resistance. DC supply, the supply whose magnitude and direction is constant. Whose magnitude and direction is constant, that is DC supply. Whose magnitude and direction change or alters, that is AC supply. Some basic elements is there which is used for ECN circuits. Resistor. What is resistor? Resistor is a passive two-terminal electric component that implement electric resistance as a circuit element. In electronic circuit, resistors are used to reduce the current flow, adjust signal levels to divide voltage. In image, we can see first image is for actual resistor, how to looking actual resistor, and second image is symbol of resistor. Resistance, we see first slide, opposition offered by the resistor to the flow of current is resistance. Opposition to flow of current. Application of resistor used for filter circuit network, used in wave generator, used in transmitter, modulator and demodulator, used in medical instrument, used in instrumentation applications, used in voltage regulators. Inductor. Inductor is called a coil, choke or reactor. Is passive two-terminal electrical component that stores energy in a magnetic field when electric current flows through it. An inductor typically consists of insulated wire wound into a coil around a core. What is inductance? Opposition offered by the inductor to the change in current is called inductance. opposition offered by the inductor to change in current. Application used in tuning circuit, used as sensors, stored energy in device, used in induction motor, used as transformer, used as filter, uses of inductors in chokes. Capacitor is a device that stores electrical energy in an electric field. It is a passive electronic component with two terminals. In this image, first image is symbol of capacitor and second image actual capacitor looks. Property of capacitor to store electric charge is called as capacitance. Energy store, capacitor stores the charge. Application used in energy storage, power conditioning, power factor correction, high pass and low pass filter, motor starters and signal processing. Electric circuit. What is electric circuit? Electric circuit or electric network is an interconnection of electrical component or model of such an interconnection consisting of a electrical circuit. This image show the electric circuits. This is the combination or interconnection of different electric components or elements, that is electric circuit. Single phase AC circuits. In single phase AC circuit, there are RL series circuit, RC series circuit and RLC series circuit. First image, RL series circuit, that is resistor inductor series circuit. In this image, resistor or inductor is connected one by one after one, that is series connection. Supply voltage V is equal to Vm sin omega t. This is series RL circuit. Likewise, series RC circuit, resistor or capacitor connected one by one, that is connected in series. This is series RC circuit. Series RLC circuit, third image. In this, resistor, inductor and capacitor is connected one after one in series, that is series RLC circuit. Single phase AC parallel circuit. In this circuit, first RL parallel circuit, R and L, resistor and inductor connected in parallel. So this is RL parallel circuit. In RC parallel circuit, resistor and capacitor is connected parallel to each other in second image. Then in third image, resistor and inductor are connected one after one in series and capacitor is connected to parallel with resistor and inductor, that is RLC parallel circuit. Series circuit. In this circuit, all the electrical elements, voltage or current sources, inductors, capacitor, resistors are connected in series. Parallel circuit. In this circuit, all the electrical elements are connected in parallel. Series parallel circuit. If circuit element are series connected in some part and parallel in other parts, that is series parallel circuit. Part of electrical circuit and network. Node, a point or junction where two or more circuit elements branch that part of section of circuit which locate between two junctions. Loop, a closed path in a circuit where more than two meshes can be occurred. And mesh, a closed loop which contain no other loop. In this, 6 nodes, 7 branches, 3 loops and 2 meshes. Difference between network and circuit. Network. An electric network is an interconnection of various electric elements. Electric networks can either be closed or open path. Circuit. Electric circuit is a network which has a closed path. Unit 1, single phase AC circuit. There is reactance. Inductive reactance and capacitive reactance. Inductive reactance XL is equal to 2 pi FL. Unit is ohm. Inductive reactance is defined as the opposition to the flow of an alternating current offered by inductance. Capacitive reactance Xc is equal to 1 upon 2 pi Fc. Unit of capacitive reactance is ohm. Capacitive reactance is defined as the opposition offered by the pure capacitor to the flow of alternating current. Impedance, combination of resistance, inductive reactance and capacitive reactance is called as impedance. Unit is ohm. Z is equal to R plus jx. Z is equal to under root R square plus x square. Phi is equal to tan inverse x by R. Power factor. Power factor is the ratio of true power and apparent power. Ideally, power factor should be unity and practically it should be as high as possible. Power factor formula for power factor true power upon apparent power. Put the formula of true power, that is VI cos phi, and apparent power VI. Power factor is equal to cos phi. It should be greater than -1 and less than 1. Causes and effect of low power factor. Very small percentage of power is utilized from total power. If power factor is low, then large power is required to be generated to deliver the required power. If power factor is low, then large power need to supplied in order to consume the power in the load. To carry large current, large diameter conductor required, and because of large diameter of conductor increase the cost. Large current increase copper loss and reduce the efficiency. Types of power. There are three types of power: active power, reactive power, apparent power. Active power, average power taken or consumed by the AC circuit. What is active power? Average power consumed by the AC circuit, that is VI cos phi. V is equal to supply voltage and I is equal to supply current. Active power is the average power consumed by the resistor R in the given circuit. Reactive power. The reactive power is defined as the product of voltage and current, sine of angle between voltage and current, that is phi. Reactive power is the imaginary power. Reactive power is a part of total power which is not consumed by the load. Reactive power simply travels from source to load and back from load to source. It is therefore useless power and should be minimized. Apparent power is defined as the product of the RMS value and value of voltage and current, denoted by S, measured in volt ampere or kilovolt ampere. Apparent power S is equal to V into I. Apparent power represents total power supplied by the source. Apparent power is the vector sum of active and reactive power. So S is equal to P plus Q equal to VI cos phi plus VI sin phi, and S is equal to VI because cos square phi plus sin square phi is equal to 1. Power triangle. Power triangle is a graphical relation of active power, reactive power and apparent power. This is power triangle. Vertical side shows imaginary power, horizontal side shows active power, and hypotenuse shows apparent power. Series circuit, that is RL series circuit. In this image, R and L resistor and inductor connected in series. I current flow through the resistor or inductor, that is same. In series circuit, current is same. RL series circuit, then XL is equal to 2 pi FL, VR is equal to IR, VL is equal to IXL. VR phase difference between voltage and current, VL phase difference between voltage and current is 90 degree. V is equal to VR plus VL. Phasor diagram for RL series circuit. Phase difference between voltage and current is phi. I lags with respect to V. So V is leading, I is lagging. RL series circuit has lagging power factor because I lags to V by angle phi. In waveform we can see voltage waveform start from 0 and current waveform start after phi angle. So current waveform is start after voltage waveform. So current is lagging and so power factor is lagging. This is voltage triangle, impedance triangle and power triangle. Voltage triangle, vertical side that is VL, horizontal VR. Voltage vertical sides represent voltage across inductor, horizontal side represent voltage across resistors, hypotenuse that is total voltage. Impedance, hypotenuse shows impedance Z, vertical side that is inductive reactance and horizontal side that is resistance. Power triangle, hypotenuse that is total power, apparent power, vertical side reactive power and horizontal side active power. RC series circuit, R and XC, R and C are connected in series, that is RC circuit. Resistor properties resistance and capacitor properties capacitive reactance. Voltage across R VR, voltage across C VC. Current I flow through R and XC, that is same. Supply voltage V is equal to Vm sin omega t. XC is equal to 1 upon 2 pi FC. VR phase difference is 0 and VC phase difference is 90 degree. V is equal to VR plus VC. Phasor diagram, I and VR is in phase because I is same, I is reference. Then phase difference between I and VR, current and resistance is 0, so VR and I is in phase. Then VC and I phase difference is 90 degree. Then average voltage, total voltage projection got from VR and VC, that is V, and phase difference between I and V is phi. Then phase difference between voltage and current is phi. I is leading to V. I leads with respect to V by angle phi. RC series circuit has leading power factor waveform. Voltage waveform start from 0 and current waveform start before voltage waveform by angle phi. So current waveform is leading to voltage waveform, so power factor is leading power factor. Voltage triangle, impedance triangle and power triangle. Hypotenuse shows total voltage. Horizontal there is a VR, voltage across resistance and voltage across capacitor shows vertical side. Impedance triangle, Z total impedance, then horizontal side shows resistance, vertical side shows capacitive reactance. In power triangle, hypotenuse shows total power, horizontal line shows active power and vertical side represent reactive power. RLC series circuit, R, L and C are connected in series. Voltage across R VR, voltage across L VL and voltage across C VC. VR is equal to IR, VL is equal to IXL and VC is equal to IXC. Phasor diagram, there is 3 cases for RLC circuit: when VL is less than VC, when VL is greater than VC and when VL equal to VC. Case 1, when VL is less than VC, then phasor diagram for case 1, I and VR is in phase, vertical negative side phasor VL minus VC, that is VC waveform, VC phasor, average V, then I and V, in between I and V angle phi is there. V is equal to Vm sin omega t, I is equal to Im sin omega t plus phi. Phasor diagram for case 2, horizontal side I and VR are in phase, vertical positive side VL, that is VL minus VC, when VL greater than VC. Average voltage V, angle between V and I is phi, voltage is leading, current is lagging. So I is equal to Im sin omega t minus phi. Case 3, when VL is equal to VC, then VL minus VC is 0. So VR is equal to V and VRV is in phase with I. So V is equal to Vm sin omega t, I is equal to Im sin omega t. Voltage triangle for case 1, for case 2 and for case 3. For case 1 power factor is leading, for case 2 power factor is lagging, and for case 3 power factor is unity. Impedance triangle for case 1, case 2 and case 3. This all the revision part of the before lectures. Thank you.